Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to fix OMEN Gaming Hub if it's not working on your Windows 11 or 10. Right, if you found this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel for more such tutorials. Now, first up, you gotta find your search bar and just type down System Updates. Okay. Now, once that's done, you gotta click on Check for Updates. Wait for it to load. And then once it loads, go to the top, click on Check for Updates right here. And if there are available updates, go ahead and install those. And once that's done, go ahead and go to Advanced Options. Install all available updates right here under Optional Updates as well. Okay? Install, download and install, and then just wait for the process to finish. And after that, once everything is installed, it will ask you to restart your computer. So just go ahead and restart your computer. Now find OMEN Gaming Hub right here. Right click on it, and then click on Run as Administrator. And it should work now. Okay. If that still won't work, okay, what you'll do is just go ahead over to your Start menu, right click on it. Now click on Installed Apps right here. Now scroll down, find OMEN Gaming Hub. Click on three dots. Click on Advanced Options. Now scroll all the way down, find these options right here. Click on Terminate first. Then click on Repair. Wait for the process to finish. And once that's done, once you got the check mark, use the search bar and type down OMEN. Now just run as administrator and check if it helps. If not, close OMEN Gaming Hub, terminate right here, then click on Reset, Reset. Wait for it. And once you got the check mark again, find OMEN Gaming Hub, right click, run as administrator, and check if it helps. Now if that still will work, go ahead and uninstall it from here, uninstall. And then once that's done, gotta go back to Installed Apps and find OMEN Gaming Hub. If it's not available in here, well, that means that it's completely uninstalled. Okay, so just close this one. Go straight ahead to your Microsoft Store. Right here, open it up. And just find the OMEN Gaming Hub right here. Okay, click on it and just click on Get. Wait for the process to finish, and after that, everything should work perfectly fine now. That is how you fix OMEN Gaming Hub if it's not working on your Windows 11 or 10 device. I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.